Okay, on to lesson three and how newsrooms work. And this is more than just who sits where and who does what. This is more about what our challenges are facing newsrooms now, how newsrooms operate in this instant social media world that we're in. Used to be where a photographer and a reporter would go on assignments together, both in broadcast and print, and that's really no longer the case anymore. The advent of the smartphone has eliminated the need to bring people along to take pictures. You can video and you can also audio record anybody or anything that's happening for future use. So those kind of things are facing newsrooms nowadays, and while they try and keep the basic structure the same, there has to be changes in order to keep up with the fast pace of social media. Newspapers used to put out a paper at midnight, and any news that happened between midnight and 7 a.m., well, midnight and delivery was not in that paper. But in fact, newspapers, if they only put out one a day from midnight to midnight, there really wasn't anything new in the paper until it was printed the next day. TV was a little faster, of course, and then with the advent of social media and the internet and the web, we were able to kind of come up to equal terms with television and broadcast by streaming things on web pages. So read this material, look at all the stuff that's there, and there's a couple of one discussion point about, what are newsrooms facing, how are they going to get through it, your ideas and your thoughts on that, and then there's also a test, short test on just editorial judgment, what you would do with these certain story subjects, and you just pick which one you feel is the best. Um, Actually, there really are no right or wrong answers. There's probably one that's better than another, and so I will grade it on that basis. So it's basically intuitive, subjective, and whatever your thoughts are about what you personally think news is. So go through all that, and we will see you next week. Thanks.